And traffic looks...
Hey, Frank, let's try to push him now to make sure he doesn't try to get on 405. Keep him on to Rainier, man.
Speed 75. Traffic is yielding. Light traffic. He's over in the HOG lane now. And nope, it's going into Renton. Northbound into Renton from 167. Speed to 60. No traffic. Copy. Pulling up. 405 southbound on ramp. Getting on 405. Speeds of 40.
Copy now, southbound 405, speeds of 40.
And Kanan, I can see he's literally on rims. All four tires are rimmed. 405 south, coming up on the Tukwila exit. 55 miles per hour, no traffic. And if he takes this exit here, he's going to have to slow down. We're, nope, past the Tukwila exit. Still 405 south, going underneath the 66 bridge. We're getting off 55 north, maybe going to take the South Center Boulevard exit. Stand by. Bound. Speeds 45, no traffic, merging.
Be north 95.
Yeah, K9, I can hear the car dragging on the roadway here.
Yeah, Frank, we got all the lanes behind us covered.
K9, he's going to end up stopping here. His car is failing on him. We're north of the on-ramp by about a half mile. So, yep, we're going to stop. Hold the air here.
149.
Call it, move up, hit it.
Watch out, Sanjay. I'll pin him here when he pin him.
I'm 7, good pit.
Good pit, 149.
It looks like they got somebody coming out the passenger side. They got them proned out right now.
Copy 150.
We've got 4 or 5 in the car. We're trying to call them out.